Hi everyone. Today I will tell you how to make a scientific calculator in Python. I wrote my code using PyCharm interface. I try to explain section by section of the code. Firstly, we defined the libraries we will use. Take inter library for the graphical interface. Math library, as we know, for mathematical operation. After adding these libraries, we create the calculator window and design calculator size, background color, and title. And here we have defined variables for the first click, the second click, and the result value there. We use self-display command to get the numbers, and we use text.display command to read the result value on the display screen. Self current and text display. And after doing this, we have defined the basic operation required for the function of the case on the calculator. For example, multiplication. The first number we clicked and we choose the multiply icon. The program recognizes that this is a multiplication operation, and the second number comes to self.current command, and multiplication is done and written on the display screen. We do other complex mathematical operation here. We use the math library while doing this operation. For example, cosine, sinus, tangent, and logarithmic exponential operation, and power operation, etc. We send the number we receive from the screen on the library and print the result again on the screen. And this part, we decide the position of the buttons as rows and columns, the font, size, and color here. And here we use command lambda because the program understands this is a basic operation, for example, multiplication or addition. Other complex operation we don't need to use lambda. And here we define two layouts, standard and scientific, and their geometrical size. And finally, calculator looks like that: standard and scientific. Thanks for watching.